We would now like to introduce Mitsubishi Electric Service, IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a service using IoT technology to support production by and maintenance of electrical discharge machines, or EDMs. This IQ Care Remote for You can be largely divided into two functions, the dashboard function and the remote diagnosis function. First, the dashboard function that contributes to the production process. The dashboard function allows customers to confirm matters such as operating information and estimated processing time of their EDM at off-site areas in real time via PCs, smartphones, or tablets. And no dedicated software is necessary. Using a web browser, information can be accessed from anywhere. Second is the remote diagnosis function, which significantly reduces machine downtime. This function allows a terminal at the support center to directly access the customer's EDM to conduct a diagnosis. Now, let's see how it works. Please notice the changes on the screens at the support center and that of the customer. It looks like a customer is calling with a question.
Mitsubishi Electric Machinery Division, may I help you?
Yeah, I'm using the MV1200R, but it suddenly became unable to do anything. What should I do?
Has an alarm appeared?
I just recently took charge of this machine, so I don't really know.
I'll confirm the condition through remote diagnosis. Please press the remote service button.
Ah, okay. I pressed the button.
We are now connected, so I'll check the signal.
Thank you.
Since the customer has granted permission for connection, the support center is now operating the screen.
I confirmed the condition. The liquid resistance error is on. This alarm appears when the fluid conductivity rises above a normal level. The ion exchange resin might be out. I'll check the maintenance screen. Use of the ion exchange resin has surpassed the maintenance period, and so the cause is probably the end of its useful life. Can you replace it?
How do I do that?
I'll explain the location and how to do it on the screen.
Thanks.
There's a bottle like this in the back of the machine. Remove the inlet and outlet hoses, replace the contents of the bottle with a new one, and reconnect the hoses. Be careful not to attach the inlet and outlet to the opposite connection. Also, turn off this switch indicated on the screen before doing the exchange.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, not particularly.
I will now turn the remote connection off. Thank you.
Thank you.
So what did you think about remote diagnosis by Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Care Remote for You? In this way, the dedicated terminal of the experienced engineer can directly access the customer's EDM and diagnose it remotely. The problem can be quickly resolved by sharing screen information with the customer. By using the screen to indicate matters that are difficult to explain over the phone, such as the location of parts, an easy-to-understand explanation can be given in a short amount of time to customers, including those who have just started to use the machine. Mitsubishi Electric will continue to use IQ Care Remote for You to enhance production efficiency. For a more detailed explanation, please feel free to ask one of our attendants. Thank you for your attention.